Day has come, Carlos. 59's heading to California, my friend. Stunning example. Laser straight, excellent panel fit and fitment finish. Hubcaps are nice. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Love this car. Yeah, just a little bit of wax was still up there. We got that out. Just the, the corner windows. Just absolutely stunning on this. There's the wires that we've got unplugged. You'll need, like we said and mentioned, that's something you check into. It's 27,000 or 2,720 miles, 0.9. There's the dome light working, interior, the hood, the brake does work, push down, you know how that works. Engine compartment. Look at the clouds off your hood, my friend. Interior like tissue. Right there. Getting ready to load her, my friend. What a beauty. What a beauty. Thank you for your business, Carlos. Please send us a picture with you in the car. Myself. Thank you, Carlos, for your business.